Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. Yesterday we have completed our 11th lesson, problems of measurement. Okay, so today we are starting our new lesson, lesson number 12, perimeter and area. Okay, so today first we will be seeing about the perimeter. Okay, first perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Okay, last year you have studied about the perimeter. Perimeter is what? See, closed figures have perimeters. Closed figures means what? In some of third or fourth standard you may have learned about closed figures. Okay, closed figures means what? See, rectangle, square, okay, triangle, these are closed figures. Okay, it is not a closed figure. Okay, these are closed figure. See again here, this is not a closed figure. Closed figure is a figure having all the sides, having all the angles. Okay, so such figures are called as closed figures. So perimeter is measured on closed figure. Okay, so perimeter means what? Perimeter means the sum of the lengths of all the sides of the figure. Okay, sum, total of the lengths of all the sides of the figure. Now suppose this is a rectangle. Okay, A, B, C, D. So 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay, so side AB and side DC is 4 centimeter, side AD and BC is 2 centimeter. So now for finding perimeter, what we do? We have to add all the sides. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to all addition of all the sides. Okay, so 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 12 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle ABCD is 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12 centimeters. Okay, addition of all the sides of the rectangle. Okay, understood? Side AB plus side BC plus side CD plus side AD. Okay, understood? This is the perimeter of rectangle. Suppose we have to find out the perimeter of square. Okay, now square is the quadrilateral which have all the sides equal. Okay, all the sides equal. Suppose it is a 5 centimeter. All the sides are 5 centimeter. So perimeter of square PQRS is equal to what? Side PQ plus QR plus SR plus SP. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 20 centimeter. Okay, understood? In this way we find the perimeter. Now suppose take the triangle. Centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Okay, triangle XYZ and its measure, see, length of all the sides is given. XY is 2 centimeter, YZ is 6 centimeter, ZX is 8 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle XYZ is is equal to sum of the length of all the sides, that is xy plus yz plus xz. 2 plus 6 plus 8. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 centimeter. So here perimeter of triangle XYZ is 16 centimeter. Okay. So you know how to write perimeter of the figures. Okay. So today we will be solving the problem set 48 as a revision. Okay. So question number 1. See, first figure they have given you. We have to write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below. So, perimeter of first figure. Perimeter of figure 1. You have to add all the sides. It is 7 plus 16 plus 20 plus 14. Okay. 23 plus 20, 43, 43 plus 14, 57 centimeter. Okay. Next, perimeter of figure 2. See, in this figure there are 6 sides. Okay, there are total 6 sides. Okay, so it is a kind of hexagon. Okay, it has 6 sides. You have to add all the length of all the sides. That is 8 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8. 18. Okay, wait. 20, 8 plus 8, 16, 20 plus 16, 36, 36 plus 12, 48, 48 centimeter. So perimeter of figure 2 is 48 centimeters. Next, perimeter of figure 3. Okay, so this figure has 5 sides. Okay, it's a kind of pentagon. Okay, so sum of the length of all the sides, that is 8 plus 18 plus 12 plus 18 plus again 8. So 12 plus 18, 30, 30 plus 18, 48, 48 plus 8, 56, 56 plus 8, 64, 64 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter of figure 3 is 64 centimeter. So you know that how to find out the perimeter of the figure. Okay, you have to add the lengths of all the sides. Now come to question number 2. See what they have given. If a square of 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a larger square with side 3 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of the remaining shape? Okay, see what they have given. There is a square of sides 3 centimeter. Okay, now square is a shape having all the sides equal. Okay, so all the sides are of 3 centimeter. Okay, but what they have given, if square of 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner, means if the corner, if the square of 1 centimeter is cut out, then the figure will look like this. Okay, so if square of 1 centimeter is cut out from the corner, means this side is 1 centimeter, this side is 1 centimeter, then this will become 2, this will also become 2, and this will remain 3 centimeters. Okay, so you have to find out the perimeter of this remaining shape. So therefore, perimeter of a square is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the perimeter of the square is 12 centimeters. Okay? Understood? See, the square is of sides 3 centimeter. But what they have given in the question, if the 1 centimeter square is cut out from corner, okay, means this square is of 1 centimeter. So after cutting this, it will look like this. Okay, so this side will become 1 centimeter, this side will become 1 centimeter, this 2 centimeter, 2 centimeters, and this will remain as 3 centimeters. Now you have to find out the perimeter of the remaining square. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 12 centimeters. Okay? Understood? Okay. So in this way we have completed our problem set 48, which is very simple. Okay, so in the next lecture we will start our, we will see the solved examples based on word problems given on page number 70, okay, of your textbook. Okay, also we will see the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. Okay, so today we will stop here. We'll meet in the next lecture with next concept. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you.